Imagine your car is running raw, fuel economy is dropping, and the check light just pop up. Could a $50 bottle fix all that? Today, let us answer the big question. Is fuel injector cleaner actually good for your car? You are getting answer in this video. Fuel injector cleaner is a liquid additive you pour directly into your gas tank. It is designed to dissolve carbon deposits that clog up your fuel injector over time. You know that modern engines rely on precision fuel delivery into your combustion system. Over time, gunk from low quality fuel, short trips, or infrequent oil change can build up, messing with spray patterns and fuel economy. These are what you are getting from a good fuel injector cleaner. 1 is going to improve your fuel efficiency. 2 is going to restore your engine performance. And 3 is going to reduce your emission. 4, it will help you to fix rough idle or engine knock. And lastly, it's going to extend injector life. However, it is not magic in a bottle. Fuel injector cleaner works best as a preventive measure or for minor clogs. If your injector are badly clogged or damaged, a mechanic is needed or a specialist in injector repair is needed to fix that. But how often should you use fuel injector cleaner? Manufacturers often recommended 3,000 to 5,000 miles, or basically you can do this every engine oil change. What should you look for in a good cleaner? Look for a good cleaner must contain PEA, polyethylamine. It is most effective cleaning agent. That is why you will see it in products such as Chevron Techno and Seafoam. That is why these two have very good reviews. In text, many drivers enjoy smooth idle, fast throttle response, and even a small bumps in fuel economy after using a cleaner, a fuel injector cleaner, especially if that is the first time of using it. So, is a fuel injector cleaner good for your car? The answer is yes, depending on if you use it correctly and you use it at the right time. It's going to help your car. Do you enjoy this video? If you enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up and follow me for more tips like this. But you should bear in mind today that fuel injector cleaner is good for your car. It causes no harm for your car, only on one condition, that it can cause harm to your car if you buy the wrong type. Do you need to know the right type or the right one to buy? I have a video that will pop out after this video where I talk about the best fuel injector cleaner you should use for your car. It's going to pop up now, so watch that video and you are going to learn the best injector fuel cleaner that you should buy now, so that you are going to enjoy mass